In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pyramid in Excel. We'll build a clean, mirrored pyramid effect using conditional formatting, so two columns of numbers visually grow toward each other. This approach is great for comparisons, like two groups across the same categories, and it uses native Excel features you already have. Start by selecting the first range of cells that you want to turn into one side of the pyramid. With those cells highlighted, go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. This is where Excel lets you add visual cues to your data without changing the numbers themselves. It's perfect for creating bars that reflect the relative size of each value at a glance. From the Conditional Formatting menu, choose Data Bars, then pick a color you like. Either solid fill or gradient works. Choose whatever matches your sheet. As soon as you apply it, you'll see shaded bars appear in each selected cell. By default, these bars grow from left to right, which is exactly what we want for the first side. Take a quick look to confirm the bars reflect your values correctly. Now apply the same idea to the other side of the pyramid. Select the second range of cells, the ones that should mirror the first column. Open Conditional Formatting again, choose Data Bars, and select the same color so the two sides match visually. Keeping the style consistent helps the comparison feel unified and easier to read. This time, instead of stopping there, click More Rules. The More Rules option opens the detailed settings for your data bars, and that's what lets us flip the direction to create the mirror effect. You'll see options that control how the bars display, including their direction and behavior. In the Rule settings, change the bar direction to From Right to Left. This switch makes the bars in the second column grow inward from the right edge of each cell, meeting the bars from the first column in the middle. It's the key move that turns two standard data bar columns into a pyramid-style visualization. Click OK to apply those settings. You should now see a neat, symmetrical look. One column's bars expand from the left, the other from the right, forming a pyramid shape across each row. That's it. You've created a clear, space-saving visual that compares two sets of numbers side by side. If you want to refine the look later, you can revisit conditional formatting to explore additional styling options, but the core pyramid effect is complete and ready to share.